When Hasnain bought a new toy gun with the money he got on Eid, he did not know that the real price was yet to be paid. A pellet from the air-powered weapon hit him in the eye, rupturing Hasnain's cornea. His parents rushed him to Karachi for medical treatment from Shahadat Court. 8 surgeries later, Hasnain's vision is yet to be fully restored.
मेरे भाई की गन थी ना, वो टूट गई थी, तो मैं उसको सही कर रहा था. मेरे को पता नहीं था कि उसमें छर्रा है या नहीं है. मैंने यूं हल्का सा यूं करा ना, तो उसके अंदर छर्रा था. मैंने उसको जैसे ही दबाया तो मेरा छर्रा आँख में आके लग गया.
Hasnain's mother holds the owner of the toy store responsible for selling items that can pose a significant risk to kids.
नहीं, ये गन का इस्तेमाल करना ही नहीं चाहिए बिल्कुल, बल्कि बच्चों को मना करना चाहिए, और जो बेचने वाले हैं उनको भी ये चाहिए कि वो नहीं बेचें. दूसरों के बच्चों को लगे, हो सकता है उनके खुद के बच्चों को भी लग सकती है. ये तो इस बच्चे के कम लगी है, किसी के ज़्यादा भी लग सकती है. सारी उम्र के लिए नाबीना भी हो सकता है.
Costing just 50 rupees each, these toy guns have children flocking to shops. Unfortunately, many of them are left with severe trauma afterwards. This toy gun is capable of shooting a lamppost from more than 15 feet away, and they're available at just about any corner store. But with more than 60 cases since Eid just at this hospital alone, doctors are saying that these toys and their effects are no child's play. Eye specialist Munira Shakir says dozens of children from Korangi, Landi, Orangi town and other low-income neighborhoods have been brought to her during the past week.
I would say that if they are confronted with this type of injury, then they should come always to a tertiary care hospital like ours or any others, so that they can be properly taken care of. And second thing, this is my request to all the parents, the shopkeepers and the government especially, that please spare our children from these type of injuries, because these injuries are very harmful, and the child may get blind for the whole life, and he may become a burden to the society as compared to an asset.
Children, being innocent, cannot be blamed for their obsession for more realistic toys, especially when they see glamorized depictions of weapons and violence. But the real responsibility for their safety lies with the parents and other adults that knowingly sell such dangerous toys to children. Mubin Nasir, Dawn News, Karachi.